Usually a bigger point guard doon sa bumabantay sa kanya. At ayun, isa pang tapon, unforced turnover. Yun ang masasakit.
Nag-iisa lang yun, ha?
Oo, yung unforced turnovers. There are turnovers that are forced because of the beauty of the defense ng kalaban. Pero yun, mental mistake pa nangyayari. Napakasakit kung ikaw yung humahabol.
At lalo na pagka ganitong kalaki, hinahabol mo, no? Oops! Ay, tumama yung kamay ni Ronald Tubid kay Romel Adukol. Tubid claiming it was unintentional. Okay, the foul called on Tubid, di ba? Kaya ito natin na nangyari dito. Ito, lalabas si Tubid. Naiwan yung kamay niya. Nakalimutan niyang dalhin yung kamay niya. Naiwan.
May ibang target.
Raymundo from the outside. Oh! And Billy Mamaril again will have the shorter end of the stick. And there's a contest between him and Romel Adukol. Kanina pa po yan ng first half. Ano? Dito makikita po ninyo sa rebound play. Ayun. Do the bump.
And, you know, seems that frustration really setting in with some of the players of Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, yeah, you can feel that. And James Yap trying to get it back. Taps it out of the baseline. 20-point lead. Pure Foods here in the third quarter. J.J. Helderman to Rafi Rivas. Rivas puts it up. Voila. Mamaril. That has been the story of Barangay Ginebra this evening. Shoot na, lumabas pa.
Oo, at ang lapit na. Ang habol na naman yun eh.
Oh.
3-point play in the making now. Billy Mamaril has to make 2 free throws. And the big men have struggled with these free throws.
Yeah. Ayun, medyo pasang awa. Pumasok yung unang free throw ni Billy Mamaril. And the second one is good. 57-39. At kita kayan, ken kakabsat, kita Ilocos. Okay, garod. Labanan po ng Pure Foods at Barangay Ginebra dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. James Yap, Peter June Sibon caught fire in the first quarter. Comes up with the pasa, assist pala yun to Romel Adukol. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Paano ka ba naman? Sunday Salvacion tinawagan ng foul.
But it seems he's done everything. Ito si PJ Simon.
Yeah.
Yung para sa palpal talaga yun na naging pasa eh.
Pagka talaga maganda ang laro mo, suswertehin ka pa eh. Romel Adukol pa yan. Pasok ang free throw. 3-point play. He's got 9 points in the game.
He's got 9 points. He's got 7 rebounds. And he's only missed 1 from the field. Itong si Romel Adukol. You know, sometimes I would feel ito si Romel. He really likes playing against Barangay Ginebra.
Mas kaya. Sunday Salvacion from the outside rings the bell. DF3 na yan. Hatid sa inyo ni Sunday Salvacion. And they badly needed it.
Unang tigada pa lang nila mula sa 3-point region. They're 1 out of 8 from 3-point region.
Hindi masyadong maganda yung stat na yun para sa Barangay Ginebra. And James Yap tries to recover it. And Kirby Raymundo and Rafi Rivas going for the loose ball. Last touch on Rafi Rivas.
Kirby Raymundo had that right smile kasi ginawa niya doon konting veteran smart. Kaya nakunin yung bola, kinapik niya yung kamay ni Rafi at lumabas yung bola.
Ano ito? May technical? Yun. Ano sinasa? Nagre-reklamo si Rafi Rivas. Tinagaraw yung kanyang braso. Sabi niya pagkatapos binigay mo pa sa kanila yung bola.
Actually, opposite yung sinasabi ni Rafi Rivas. What a lot of players like to do is papunta doon sa bola para pasabay doon sa bola. Kaya napalakas yung paghawak niya sa bola at lumabas.
Ayun. Dahil sa
experience.
And the technical free throw is converted by James Yap. Alam mo, kahit lumoban na itong kalamangan ng Pure Foods, hindi pa rin po natitinag yung napakalaking crowd dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Siya nga pala, the PBA is already exerting efforts para po mapaganda lalo itong Cuneta Astrodome dahil nga po sa pagtaguyod ng ating mga suki ng PBA. So, Makikita po ninyo, gumaganda ang laro na Pure Foods. Gumaganda rin itong Cuneta Astrodome. Magkakaroon po ito ng bagong pintura. Nakausap po natin yung Chief of Police, butihing Chief of Police ng Pasay City. Dadagdagan po ang security para sigurado tayo rito. As Billy Mapanak po, ayaw pa rin. Rafi Rivas finally coaxes it in.
Yeah, like I said, if not for the offensive rebounds na nakuha ng Barangay Ginebra, mahirapan talaga sila. O mas malaki pa yung kalamangan nito because they have doubled the output of offensive rebounds of Pure Foods.
Kirby Raimundo. Romel Aducol from the outside. And Raimundo again gets the rebound. Simon gets his pocket picked by Maki Escalona. Oh! That has got to hurt badly. Fast break na eh.
Oo, and
Namang sila eh.
para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, we have not seen a big run mula sa kanila yet dito sa larong ito. A 9-0 blast or an 8-0 blast to threaten itong Pure Foods. Pure Foods has really done a good job of keeping Barangay Ginebra way at arm's length.
Well, no big runs. There was a whimper at the start of this quarter when they scored 4 straight points.
Oo.
Pero sinagot kaagad yan ng Pure Foods at lumobo na naman ang abante ng Giants. Ano ha? Samantala, with the score standing at 63-44, a 19-point lead by the tender juicy Giants, we have this timeout.
Ang mga
Sinueb at si Dominic Oy dito sa courtside para ihatid po sa inyo ito labanan ng Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants at ng Barangay Ginebra sa ating Philippine Cup 2007-2008. Pati na rin natin ang ating mga kababayan na naririyan sa iba't ibang bahagi ng daigdig, ano ha? Lalo-lalo dyan sa Amerika, sa Middle East. At alam natin na sinusubaybayan nila itong ating mga laro sa PBA. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Alright, at ang ating score, 20 na naman nakabante ng Pure Foods at 64-44. Maki Escalona. And the jumper from the outside by J.R. Aquino is no good. Chico Lanete, nagdadala ng bola ngayon para sa Tender Juicy Giants. Sinesenyas ang play number 1 para sa Pure Foods. Lanete, hinahabol ni J.J. Helterman. Lumalabas si Tito June Simon against J.R. Aquino. Ito naman si James Yap against Maki Escalona. James Yap pa rin. Binubulabog pa rin ni Maki Escalona who dives for it. And James Yap gets inside, but he is a tad late. That shot was a tad late. It will not count. Inabot na po sila ng 24-second buzzer.
And again, excellent on-ball defense ginagawa ni Maki Escalona.
Yeah.
Siya na naman nag-disrupt nung play na yun.
Totoo yan. Bagamat naiwanan siya, naubos naman ng oras ng Pure Foods. But the important thing is they've got to be able to take advantage of that particular turnover and score in this possession. Pero malakit pa rin ang depensa ng Pure Foods. There's a nice pass inside to Gilbert Lau, who's tied up by Kirby Raimundo. So pupunta po ito sa free throw line si Gilbert Lau for a couple of charities. 4 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Sinasabi nga po natin itong Cuneta Astrodome sa pakikipagtulungan with the PBA is going to be spruced up. Pagagandahin po ito at yung security po ay wala namang problema dahil yung chief of police ng Pasay parating nandito eh. Ito maganda eh. Pero hindi maganda ang free throw shooting ng Barangay Ginebra. 2 bintis, ano ha? Yung sa mga... O yun! Maki Escalona na naman. Nakaagaw. And the ball goes out of bounds. Last touch by Chico Lanete.
He's really given ito si Chico Lanete a hard time sa pagbaba ng bola. Doon sa first half, ganun na nakita natin. Pero hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin.
At ito naman ngayon si J.J. Helderman. He's got to take over. So Rafi Rivas is wide open. Gets it back against Salvador. Nakala ko sumobra ang pektos eh. 64-46. Oh, Mark Pingers is back. Chico Lanete gets the pass underneath. Yan ang hindi gusto makita ng mga taga-Ginebra. Makakuha ng easy basket itong Pure Foods.
And Ginebra forced to look at that post defense dahil may mismatch sila sa poste dahil ang bumabantay kay Pingris ay si Tubin.
But that three-point shot by Barangay Ginebra has failed them in this